vocabulary editor in Welford Chart Notes. Welford Chart Notes is built on a vocabulary system which understands tens of thousands of words and phrases wherever you enter them into the program. You can look up the meaning of any term in the vocabulary and edit the terms yourself using the vocabulary editor. In fact, the program automatically opens the vocabulary editor whenever you enter a term into the program that it does not already understand, so that you can add it on the spot. To open the vocabulary editor, click the Vocabulary Editor toolbar button or press Library's Vocabulary Editor. So let's add a new term to the vocabulary, cheese washer's lung. For the term, type in cheese washer's lung. The program looks up the term and shows you that it is not yet listed. The category is diagnosis. The type of term is term. The kind is a respiratory disorder, and the class is allergic pneumonitis. For meaning, choose New Meaning. And for that meaning, accept the default of cheese washer's lung. If you know the ICD-10 code, you can simply type it in, but in this case we don't, so we click the ICD-10 lookup button, which shows us that the correct code for cheese washer's lung is J67.8. Click OK to place it then into the ICD-10 code box, and you can enter the ICD-9 code in that box. If the term has any synonyms, enter them here. You can click the Review button to see all of the user-defined vocabulary terms that you previously have entered. Check Lock this term as user vocabulary if you wish to have this term always considered a user vocabulary term, even if the program vocabulary eventually adds this term to its lexicon. Check User Before Program Vocabulary if you would like this term to be preferentially considered a user vocabulary term, even if it exists in the program vocabulary. Click Restore Default if you would like to restore the program ICD-10 code instead of one which you may have entered to override that. Click the Delete button if you wish to delete this term from the vocabulary system. You are only permitted to do so if you have not yet used the term as patient data. Click the Search button to search through the vocabulary system for a particular word or phrase. Click the Wizard button if you would like step-by-step help in adding a word to the vocabulary. Click OK to store your new vocabulary term. The program then checks to see whether this term has already been stored in a patient's data file, and if so, it updates the vocabulary meaning accordingly. And that's how to use the vocabulary editor in Welford Chart Notes. For more information, visit us at emirj.com.